there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. How do scientists turn ordinary plants into a sizzling, juicy burger? Welcome to the science of plant-based meat. The scientific goal is biomimicry. Chemists want to perfectly replicate the exact taste, texture, and nutrition of animal meat. To do this, scientists analyze meat at the molecular level, breaking it down into proteins, fats, and water. Next, they find identical protein structures in plants. Soybeans, peas, and wheat are excellent sources of building blocks. Scientists use high heat and pressure in an extruder to stretch round plant proteins into long, meat-like fibers. For juiciness, they add plant-based lipids. Coconut and sunflower oils melt perfectly when heated, mimicking natural animal fat. The secret to the meaty flavor is heme. This iron-rich molecule is naturally found in both animals and plants. To get enough heme, scientists use precision fermentation. They program yeast cells to rapidly manufacture this specific flavor molecule. Finally, they use carbohydrate binders, like potato starch or methylcellulose, to lock the proteins and fats perfectly together. Why engineer food? Traditional meat requires massive amounts of land and water, generating high levels of greenhouse gases. Plant-based meat is scientifically designed to be far more efficient, using significantly less water and land to produce. Chemists also fortify these foods, adding essential vitamins and minerals like B12 to perfectly match the nutrition of beef. When cooked, the plant proteins and sugars undergo the Maillard reaction, creating that perfect, crispy, caramelized brown crust. Food scientists use sensory analysis to guarantee the exact smell, visual color change, and acoustic crunch are completely perfect. By combining biology and engineering, we can create sustainable, delicious food to feed the entire future of our planet. Remember, plant-based meat uses extrusion to build protein fibers, adds plant lipids for juiciness, and uses heme for flavor. Science is continually rewriting the recipe for our future. Keep exploring the chemistry, stay curious, and grow your brilliance. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.